Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw blacephalon. Blacephalon. If you must know, blacephalon is one of the mysterious ultra beasts, and it can be only found in Alola. And if you must know, blacephalon is a fire and ghost type, kind of like the Alolan version of Marowak, which I'll be drawing soon. And be sure to like and subscribe to that video. So anyways, when you start drawing him, you must always start with his head. Then, next thing on the list is that you gotta draw these star-like pieces here. There we go. Okay, so make sure to add the eyes here. There we go. If you must know, blacephalon, he's been in a fight with circuitry to see whose performance was better. That's why they keep fight. That's why they battle. Truth is, I don't know when they're going to appear again in the show. But to be honest, okay. So now that we got, but I'm sure they'll come back soon. So anyways, this hole, this is where the head pops up. This is where the heads pop up. And done. There's his body. Next up, you just gotta draw his. Here's his bomb. Here's his bulb here. There's his body here. There we go. Next up, here's the stripe. There we go. There's his legs. Next up, you just gotta draw the bulb on his back. There we go. There's his shoes. Forgive me if this thing is too small, too big. There's his hand. Next up, here's his other hand here. Next up, you just gotta draw the other hand here. There we go. And that's pretty much about it. That's how you draw blacephalon. If you guys must know, blacephalon can be found in Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon in the game. And you can transfer him onto Pokemon Home if you wish. So, that's about it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.